I thought I'd start off the year doing a test that I wish somebody else had already done for me. I've already tested this, which is an Audio-Technica ATR55 shotgun mic. It's got a 1/8 inch or a 3.5 millimeter plug that allows you to plug it into most mini DV cameras. It's an inexpensive mic and it sounds pretty good, especially in normal mode. I just bought this microphone. This is an Azden SGM-1x microphone. It's also a shotgun mic. It's about 4 times the price of the other mic. It's got a shock mount which gets rid of vibrations and other noise. You might want to look that up to get more information. But it does have a shock mount on it. On this end, it uses an XLR adapter. Now, XLR plugs are not something you're going to find on your average inexpensive camera. They're mostly made to be hooked up to big, thick wires and run on professional equipment. However, you can buy an inexpensive adapter. This is a XLR to 1/8 inch or a 3.5 millimeter plug that allows you to plug it into your camera. You plug this into the back of the mic, this into your camera. You can get these for about $10. This one's a little bit more expensive. It has a transformer which helps boost up the volume by changing the impedance. At any rate, I'm going to run a few tests. I would like to see how this works, this microphone, compared to the other microphone, how it works on the camera and also on a boom stand. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have a control. Again, I'm using the Sony FX7 camera. I've got a tape measure on the floor so these tests are repeatable. And I'm going to do this first series with the camera mic so that we can see how it compares to both of the shotgun mics. I'm at 15 feet, Sony FX7 camera. Again, I'm using the on-camera microphone and I'm at 10 feet. Sony FX7 camera, on-camera microphone. I'm at 7 feet. Sony FX7 camera, on-camera microphone, I'm at 5 feet. Sony FX7 camera, on-camera microphone, I'm at 3 feet. This is with the Audio-Technica ATR55 shotgun microphone in normal mode on top of the Sony FX7 camera, and I'm at 15 feet. Again, we have the Audio-Technica ATR55 shotgun mic on top of the camera at 10 feet. Audio-Technica shotgun microphone on top of the camera at 7 feet. Audio-Technica shotgun microphone on top of the camera at 5 feet. Audio-Technica shotgun microphone on top of the camera at 3 feet. This is with the Azden SGM-1x microphone on top of the camera at 15 feet. Azden SGM-1x microphone on top of the camera at 10 feet. Azden SGM-1x microphone on top of the camera at 7 feet. Azden SGM-1x microphone on top of the camera at 5 feet. Azden SGM-1x microphone on top of the camera at 3 feet. Okay, this time I've got the Audio-Technica ATR55 shotgun mic in normal mode on a C-stand here. And it's hooked up with a, this is actually a headphone extension cord, about 20 feet, which is too long. Because these cords tend to pick up noise. You get interference, static, all sorts of stuff. That's one of the reasons people use XLR microphones. You'll have to look that up to see what the differences are. But at any rate, this is testing this mic. It's 2 feet outside of, 2 feet from me, outside of the camera range. Let's bring it in. Okay, this time I'm using the Azden SGM-1x microphone. It's on the booth stand, 2 feet from me. And I'm still using that headphone extender cable, which is not a good cable, but that's what I've got here. And let's see how this thing sounds. I'll bring it into the frame so you can see it. There we go. When I played back the test, I noticed a problem. The Azden SGM-1x microphone, one I'm using right now, is a lot hotter microphone, meaning more volume than the Audio-Technica. Now, I had the camera's volume control locked, but the position I had it locked in was way too high for the Azden, which made the Azden sound like it's distorting. So I'm running this piece with the microphone volume cut back on the camera, and let's see how this sounds instead.